How to disable calls on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can disable calls on Viber. Well, basically, there are certain ways to disable calls. If you want to stop getting calls from some particular user, you can either mute them, right? You can either go ahead and mute the chat, or you can simply go ahead and block them. Now, the other option, if you do not wish to get any calls, then there is the option to silence all the unknown callers. That is, if someone tries to call you and you don't have their contact saved on Viber or your device, then you won't get the call at all. To enable that, head over to More option, then head over to Settings. Under Settings, tap on Calls and Messages, and here scroll down and you can see Silence Unknown Callers. Now, while this may silence all the unknown callers, it won't silence the contacts. So to do so, what you can do is you can either enable DND mode or you can turn off the notifications for Viber. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.